Unboxing videos, da 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 da, let's begin. Part 4. Now, today we will be unboxing something different. This is a little piece of equipment that I thought I would pick up to use as a previewing device. Geez, this thing is pretty cumbersome, but let me see. I should probably use scissors for this, but anyway, lo and behold, this is the DIGITNOW full media recorder. I got this at a discount price on eBay, and now I'm going to open it and examine the contents. So, it's this little thing here, which you can just press record, and, you know, it's got all its function buttons there. It's in the plastic, but I am going to take it out, and here we are. As you can see, it's got a good selection of functions, and it's also got this this little mini memory card. Yeah. I would have to, use an adapter for this, probably. I wonder how big it is. So it goes in like that. It clicks in when you push it down. And this must be the USB power source, which it looks like is right in here. And it looks like a USB 2.0 to like a mini USB, as they call it. And there's also an HDMI cable, a small one. And there's also an RCA cable. Don't know if I'll need that. But as you can see, it's also got an RCA input. So, yeah, that should be fine. And it's got AV out and HDMI out. See? And this is the AV out cable, which is RCA stereo. You just put it in there and plug it into your TV or something. But anyway, now I will test this for functionality. Alright, so I've been using this for a few days and it seems to work somewhat fine. Pros? It's small and easy to use. The way it works is, I just hook up a VCR or other analog source to the RCA input, press play on the analog source, then press record on the little box and wait for it to finish. Here I'm using this Panasonic PV9451 that I got for just $10 at an antique store in Sonoma. So far it works like a charm. After it's done recording, I disconnect the RCA cable, then plug the little box into my laptop and copy the data over to an external hard drive. Another advantage of this little box is that I can take it to Goodwill and see if any of their used VCRs work. But I've just got to make sure that the VCR doesn't try to eat the tape. Cons. The little box only records to AVI format in 29.97 frames per second, and sometimes it comes out a little glitchy and off-sync. Needless to say, I don't intend to use this thing for archiving tapes, but rather for previewing and logging what's recorded on them. That's why I have the VCR display here on the screen. Also, this micro SD card that came with it only records up to 4 hours or so because it's only 4 gigabytes. So I just went to Best Buy and got a bigger one, which is 32 gigabytes. And that seems to solve that problem. Now I can start recording a 6-hour tape before I go to bed. In conclusion, I recommend the DIGITNOW converter if you want something that's affordable and you're not picky about glitches here and there. But be warned, if you're trying to transcode these files to MP4 in, say, Handbrake, you gotta make sure that your MP4 file doesn't come out with a gray screen all the way through.